Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, button craft ideas. Friends, let's start today video. Friends, today we are going to make your different button craft idea button art simple, fun and perfect for decorating your home, gifts or even cloth. And you can use button for different colors, size and shape to make unique designs. Start with the base. You can use paper, cardboard or fabric or even a wooden frame. Place your buttons on the base in any patterns you like. You can make flowers, heart, animals or even words. Experiment with colors and shape to create a beautiful look. Once you are happy with your designs, attach the button. Use glue for paper, cardboard for fabric. You can spin the buttons carefully to make sure they stay in place. Button craft are not only decoration, they are also creative and hand eye sketching, coordinates and figures. Try buttons mixing large and small ones or combine color for a 3D effect. Every button's placement add a little more charm and creative to your crafts. Now your button craft is ready to display our gifts. It's fun, simple and show your handmade your love and reverse. Button craft are perfect for kids and you can make a variety of designs with just a few simple materials, from small die gifts or big decoration art pieces. Button can transform ordinary items into something special and handmade. And viewers, button crafts are simple, colorful and perfect for decorating your home. Kids, you can use buttons of different colors, shape and size. Start by choosing a base for your craft. It can be paper, card, fabric, wood, anything that works for your design. Think about the design you want to make. You can make flowers, animal heart, patterns or even a full picture using buttons. Once you are happy with your arrangement, attach the buttons carefully. Button craft are a great way to express creative and styles. You can make wall art, trading card, decorating frame, or even bags, cushion or clothing decoration. So viewers, Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos.